A map in JavaScript stores a collection of key-value pairs where the keys are unique. The first place your mind will go to is, don't objects already do that in JavaScript? The answer is yes, but I'll point out the differences between the two when they come up in this video. To declare a new empty map, you can just do a variable declaration equals a new map. To declare a map with values in it, you can just pass in an array of two-element arrays. In this example, the string A is the key that maps to 1, and B is the key that maps to 2. Maps, different from objects, have well-defined ways to get a value or set a key-value pair. For example, use get and pass in A, and it will give you back the value associated with the key A, which is 1. To set a new key-value pair, you can use the set function. Pass in a key and then a value. In this case, you would pass in string B, then the number 2. After that, the map will have B mapping to 2. Critically, set has nothing protecting you from writing over old keys. You could do set string A, 3, and that would replace A's existing value of 1 in the map. Maps have a real easy way to see if a map has a specific key in it. Pass in something like the string A to the has function, and it will tell you that the map does have a key in it that is the string A. To remove a key value pair in a map, just use the delete function. Pass in the string B to the delete function. That will delete the key value pair of B mapping to 2 in the map. To clear the entire map, just use the clear function. A very nice one, not found in objects. If you want to know the number of entries in a map, simply access the map's size property. What types can a map's keys and values be? Unlike objects putting a restriction on the type the keys can be, a map's keys and a map's values can be any JavaScript type. Also, a map's keys are compared by identity, meaning, for example, you could have a map where two keys are both empty arrays, but aren't considered duplicate keys because they don't have the same identity. To convert a map to an array in JavaScript, simply use the spread operator inside an array. Unlike objects, you can cleanly get at just the keys or just the values of a JavaScript map. You do something similar to the code already here. To get just the keys, use the spread operator on the map in an array after calling the keys function. To get just the values, use the spread operator on the map in an array after calling the values function. Another difference from objects is that maps preserve insertion order, meaning if I insert keys with their value pairs in the order of A, B, C, if I loop through it, I can count on the order being A, B, and then C. And yes, the final difference from objects is that you can indeed loop through a map. The best way to do that is to use array destructuring in the following for loop body so you can access both the key and the value of every pair in the map. This will print out A:1, then B:2.